Hello guys, welcome to another video. And I just made a thing. Tornado. I got paper to see it since I don't have a fog machine. Put the paper or whatever in the middle. In the middle. I have 3 fans, but you can have 2. And then the top fan has to be the biggest fan or most powerful fan. See? It should make one. I'm gonna angle the 2 fans up. It's kind of loud, but yeah. Also, you need a barrier so the wind doesn't escape like this. So yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna get more paper. Guys, look. A paper piece has gotten stuck to the fan. You know what? Guys, I hope you guys like and subscribe. Ignore my sunburn. Our goal is 50 subscribers so I can live stream 50 subscribers by the end of July, which is this month. Bye.